What up, YouTube? It's your boy Fitz here. So today I got a story to tell you, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing of a $10 Dremel, and I'm gonna be testing it on an iPad corner. Actually, this iPad that I'm working on, you can see it's got a corner that we need to Dremel out. I don't have the eye corner tool, you know, the twisty thing. So I like to just hit it with the Dremel. So I have bought this Dremel before, actually. You can see right here. But there's a crucial component right here that holds it all together. And I've been using tape and it just was not working out. So I thought, you know, it's $10 for the Dremel. Might as well buy it for all my, you know, iPad repairs and iPhone repair needs. You know, you always need a Dremel for something. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the unboxing. I'm gonna swap camera angles and let's get into it. All right, let's go ahead and get straight into it. It says WLXY right there, or is that a Z? I don't know. I don't know how to read these. Somebody should translate that. I might actually translate it and put it in the description. Just out of curiosity, what does that say? Electric Dremel toolkit. All right, so it's a, you know, nothing too big. Some things will rattle inside. You got your certificate of authenticity, you know, in your warranty record. I should have just kept this with mine, so I'm gonna hold on to that. Then you got your actual Dremel, the actual Dremel itself, the on-off switch, pretty easy. And I think this is the piece that I was missing, maybe. Oh yeah, you have to, yep. This was the piece that I was missing on the other one. That would not allow me to do anything. So, hold on to that. You got your power outlet, normal. It just goes into the back. You do have to keep it plugged in. You can't charge it, which is kind of bad, but for $10, what do you expect? Yeah, let's get that zip tie out of there. But yeah, before I lost the actual, that part, this Dremel was working awesome. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and plug it in so we can use it on that iPad. Let's not lose this piece either. So, oh yeah. Alright, so I like this one for iPad corners. I think that's good for iPad corners. It really rounded out. Let's see if it'll fit in this one. No way. You have to find the right adapters to fit it all. I had to make sure there wasn't someone coming to my shop. Alright, so I'm actually doing this completely wrong. That goes in first. Then you get this top piece. Because this top piece allows you to tighten everything. And you press down on this to really get it tight, and then you're good. Oh yeah, she's ready to go. Let's test. And you can look up, I found a diagram online that shows what the different uses are for each of these bits. But for today's purpose, we're just gonna be looking at an iPad, and I am gonna grab some duct tape, actually, or not duct tape, packing tape, to cover up what we don't want to be, you know, affected by the Dremel. The reason I'm doing this is because when I'm Dremeling this corner, I'm actually gonna Dremel this nick too. We don't want any of that metal flying into the motherboard. Just as a safety precaution, you know. All right, so place some paper towels down. So Easy cleanup. Spread this out a little bit. I feel like it's gonna go everywhere. So we're gonna get the Dremel out, turn it on. Let's look at that light. That's what it's looking like right now. I think we can get it a little more smooth. And I did actually already use the broken Dremel to fix this power button because the power button was not working before. And yeah, I've got a little piece of tape slid in between the battery to make sure the battery's not on, the screw's not in there. Yeah. Let's keep it going. Alright, I feel like, whoa, hot. Oh, leaving the vibrator on. I need to set up your camera. Fucked up the camera. Alright, so now I'm gonna be dremeling out this little nick right here, because I feel like that is gonna mess up the screen laying down. But yeah, that's the corner that we just did. I feel like the screen should lay down nice. The other corners look alright. Yeah, but when you're laying down iPad screens, the last thing you want is to crack it when you're trying to press it down. I think that looks much more smooth. The screen will definitely be able to lay down on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off and then clean her up. But overall reviews on this Dremel for $10. I mean, it works perfect. You can't really beat it. I was just so mad when I lost this piece. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna order another one. Perfect idea for a video though. I'll go ahead and link this whole kit in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this iPad repair now. All right, so we've got the iPad here that we did the Dremel test video on. And as you can see, it looks like it's sitting in there. It's not sitting in perfectly, but way better than if it wasn't there. Home button clicks, and so does the power button. So this is a fully refurbished iPad now, and it's ready for sale. Yeah. Thanks for watching.